opportunity to, and Nicole Mahoney's here, her staff's here, Neil and Sarah, and they came up with a New York wine spotting idea for a way to make use of this ranking. I ranked 130 restaurants in Rochester by the percentage of local wines. I can email that ranking to anyone that wants it, the full spreadsheet, which is quite an extensive spreadsheet. And what we have now is really a competition to get into that top 10 by November 22nd. And we have a $15,000 TV campaign that Nicole's putting together that's going to talk about these top 10 restaurants for the first 3 weeks of December. So you have basically restaurants that want to get into the top 10. I'm happy to tell you how. Looking at the spreadsheet, you can do the numbers and figure out how to get into the top 10. Generally easier to get higher percentages of wine by the glass than by the bottle, because you have fewer wines by the glass. But one of the big challenges is some restaurants have Finger Lakes wines, whites by the glass, but not reds. They'll have none. There's only 14 restaurants out of 110 that have a red wine by the glass from the Finger Lakes. So they end up with a lot of zeros in the wine by the glass red category. If they added 2 or 3 Finger Lakes reds, they would possibly move up from somewhere in the 80s or 60s to like number 6 or 5. There's not that many, the restaurants don't have that many wines, so you can move quickly by adding just a few wines. And you can experiment with that in the spreadsheet, or I can help show you how. But the top 10 restaurants, November 22nd, will be featured early December in this campaign. And there are a couple, like Biaggi's, which has 11 Finger Lakes wines by the glass, which are not in the competition because they are a chain. And this is just for independent, locally owned restaurants. But I threw the chains in the spreadsheet so the independent restaurants could see that there's a bunch of chains that have local wines. They're selling local wines, and several of them can't even put them on their wine list. They can't print them, they can't display them, but they carry them because people want them. They can tell people about them, but they can't print that wine list or display the wines. So I hope, one of the things, people know the whites are tremendous, but I hope you're trying red wines here today just to see what great quality we have in red wines. And I want to thank Nicole and Break the Ice Media for jumping in to do this. I see it as a marketing opportunity where a restaurant can get a lot of free publicity. Simply Crepes and Joey B's have gotten a ton of free publicity for being the only 2 restaurants that have 1/3 of their wine list by the glass from the Finger Lakes. And they've been in probably a dozen publications. I talk about them on the radio every weekend, and I hope some of you will jump into the top 10, or at least start adding some and work your way up. So thank you for coming today, and enjoy the wines.